How's everybody doing? I hope so far so good. Today I'm gonna give you three main things that you must know in order to make money in the stock market, in order to get profit. We're gonna go very fast. It's gonna be a quick video. So that's the way, my friend. I'm gonna give you three main things that you must done in order to make profit in the stock market. So you see this stock, that's I just project thing for you. You can see it's been presented by me, Harry Fabian, and we have a school. We trade and we know and we teach people how to trade in the stock market and how to make profit. So our school called WIFA School. So it's a investment school. As you can see there, we put it there for you. You can see it. Now, the three best ways to invest your money, you're gonna do, if you can do or if you can follow these three tips, will be good. The first thing that you must done, you need to be able to follow your rule, follow your strategy. Don't listen to nobody. Keep your strategy. Whether you invest for long or for short term, follow your strategy. So the way you follow your strategy, if you buy for long term, keep it. If you buy for short term, do it. Do not listen to nobody. Sometimes someone says something, somebody says something, another person says something, and then you get distracted. No, you follow your strategy. Keep your strategy. The second best thing that you must done, buy stocks under value. So what does it mean under value? You don't buy them at the current price. That means buy them low or very cheap. You have to buy stock very cheap. Don't buy them very high. Always buy them at the cheap, no at the current price. For instance, sometimes the price can be $300. That's what we call current price. The share can be in the actual time 300, and you just buy it. No, you wait for the stock to come down. That means you need to have patience, and then you buy it when it comes back to $100 or to $200 or lower. You can buy it lower, but never buy them at the current price when they are expensive. You always buy stock at the value, under value. Under value, that's mean the cheaper than the current price. Remember that. Follow this. Now, go long. That's the next step I'm gonna give you. Go long in the uptrend. So whenever you see stock going on uptrend, going long, you buy because it's going long. You go long in an uptrend. That means stock going up. And the last, not the least technique I'm gonna give you, always do DCA. DCA mean you do dollar cost average. Anytime stock going to a lower price, you put certain amount. If you start buy at $400 and then the lower start going, you buy more, you buy five. It's going lower, you buy six. Lower, you put seven. So you buy, that's what we call DCA, mean dollar cost average. Now, the solution I got for you today, patient and invest for long term. You have to have patience for long term. When you invest your money, I've been patient in the stock market. Another tip I have for you, always put your target price your loss, your stop loss when trading. So when you trade, for people that's trading, you put your target price, for instance, as a stock, you put your target price, for instance, your target price to go out $10, and you put your stop loss in the bottom, for instance, your top. If you buy, you do your entry at $9, you put your stop loss maybe at 8.70, 78 for instance. You put your stop loss, always put your stop loss when you trade, and then your entry when you buy, and then your profit when you time for you to get out. That's the way. One of the bonus I got for you: save your money wisely. Always put something aside, even though by $10, by $20, by 50, 60, 100. The more money you save, the more money you will have. Save your money wisely. And then another big tip I have for you: don't spend too much. Plan before you do anything. Don't spend too much. And do not buy things that you don't need. Plan before. That's my advice for you. Now, as our company models, if you want to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, that's our logo, WIFA, and that's our business model. We just put it there for you. I'm gonna give you another technique about the technical analysis. I got good bonus for you. I always got good thing for you. We're gonna talk about the 50 and the 150 moving average. We're gonna come back for that. I'm just gonna give you a bonus. That's another one big technique you can trade the stock market. The 50 moving average and the 150 is a great tool to do technical analysis. So this blue line that you see, we call it 50 moving average. And the black line that you see, we call it the 150. So we call this 50 moving average, as you can see there, 50 moving average. Or EMA, we call that EMA. And this one is the 150 EMA. EMA. Now, how that works. Whenever you see the blue line, the 50 moving average is above the 150, that means the stock is a uptrend. That's the time you buy. Because the 50 moving average is above the 150. Whenever the 50 moving average is above the 150, it's an uptrend. That's the time you buy. That's when it's not gonna go long. That's the time you put your long, you go long on an uptrend because the moving average is crossing above the 50. Anytime the small number, which is the 50 moving average, is above 150, stock is going up. And then you can do that's a good strategy to do as a technical analysis. Whereas the 150, this one is the 150, the red one, we call it 150 EMA. EMA, let's say EMA, and we call the yellow one the 50 this time. So now what happened? Whenever the 150 now is crossing above the 50, the stock is a downtrend. That means if you bought after it's been going up on an uptrend, you sell here. Because the 150 now is crossing above the 50. That means it's not going to go down and you sell. It's a good technique. If you can follow this technique, you'll be good. 50 crossing above 150, start going up. And 150 now is crossing above the 50, start going down. We call that downtrend and we call that uptrend. So my friend, it was a good pleasure for you to be with you, to be share this to you. I'm always there to help you, to show you the good thing about our company and to show you how we like you and we always got good stuff for you. Just be there and follow us. And our website is www.wifi, as you can see there, Wi-Fi stores.com. That's what we go. So follow us, go to that website, and we have class for trading. We share you, we teach you step by step how to trade in the stock market. Thank you, my friend, to be with us. This is Harry. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share. And that way, anytime we got new stuff for you, you'll be notified. And we teach you also about Excel, how to do your Excel sheet, everything there, and credit, how to fix your credit. And you got more stuff coming up. We always do good thing for you. In this channel, as I told you, we are learning and I'm helping people for free. Good stuff. Take care. God bless you and see you. Keep in touch. Share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye. See you. Bye. Take care.